Tim here in sunny, for the moment, Dallas. It's springtime and summer's right around the corner, so it's time to put an awning on my van. So this video is going to be an unboxing and install video. I'll try to get it all done in one video, if possible. So, the awning that I'm putting on is the RHINO-RACK Sunseeker. It's a 7 foot, or it says 7 foot, it's actually I believe 6.5. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and take a look at it and then install it. As you can see, this awning comes in a cardboard box. I know some companies ship their awnings in a cardboard tube. I'm not sure if there's any advantage to that. I purchased it from a company called Rack Outfitters off their online website. They also have a store in Austin, Texas. So the box says RHINO-RACK Sunseeker, designed in Australia, made in China, exclusively for RHINO-RACK Australia. Looks pretty well packaged, although there is, it's probably from shipping, but there is a little gouge in the box, and I don't know if that's affected the awning. We'll see when we open it up. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. First thing I want to check out is where that gash in the box is, and see if that affects the cover, the awning cover. Did go through the foam a little bit, and well, did not affect the cover, the canvas cover, or awning cover, which is nice. The awning is got some styrofoam wrapped around it. Comes with the installation, probably an instruction guide or manual. And you can check this out also online if you go to RHINO-RACK, their website. They've got a PDF file. Bag that has some stakes in it. And two stakes. On one end you have a box with probably the hardware that will be used to install it. All the installation hardware, tie downs for the 2 end poles or up poles, and these are some mounts that may have to use, likely we'll use to mount it onto the van, onto the rack that I've got on the van. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at this awning here. One of the reasons I chose it was I did like the black cover, the black mounting rail. The poles and everything that inside are black anodized aluminum versus just the silver or the regular aluminum. So you can see that it's got, pull this off. cover, a long zipper, and then on the back we've got a rail that will attach to the rack on my van and allow you to adjust it, slide it in various positions. Feels like it's pretty good quality, it looks good, so we're going to go ahead and install it. Okay, so I am using the crossbars on this ladder rack, these 3 front ladder racks to mount the awning to. So I have to measure out where I'm going to drill the hole that will hold into the back of the awning, or will attach into the back of the awning with mounting hardware. So in lieu of a marker or something that I can see on that black, I've got a tap, or I'm just going to hit the mark where I'm going to drill into with this. That'll also help guide the drill. I guess the word I was looking for was to score it or punch it, just to get a good starting point for the drill bit. So I'm drilling a smaller pilot hole, and then I'll use a larger drill bit to put in the correct size for the bolt that's holding on the awning. And I'm drilling in fairly exact same spot in each one, even though it can be off a little bit. There's some play in there that allows you for adjusting, but it does take a little time to drill through all these. This is pretty hard steel. Alright, so I used a 5/16 drill bit, pretty good match to this. I think this might be a metric size, the bolt that's going to go through, but 5/16 is large enough for it. Now I'm going to try to install this awning all by myself, holding it up there and screwing it in and everything, so we'll see how that goes. First step is just to try to get it up there and get it bolted on loosely, and then I can move the awning to kind of center it, get it positioned where I want it to. As you may be able to tell, it is getting dark. We've got another storm, looks like, moving into the area, plus it's late in the evening, so I'm going to try to get this done as quickly as possible without damaging anything. Okay, now comes the fun part, trying to lift this up and mounting it by yourself. Alright, well, it took a couple hours to install the awning onto the van. It's the RHINO-RACK Sunseeker, and I'm just going to give you a quick look. I haven't even taken it out yet and set it up, so I'm just going to give you a quick look, and when I get a chance I will set it up and show you that as well, but that will probably be a different video. So let's take a look at it. It mounted to the 3 cross members, and it comes with brackets or mounting hardware to mount to a number of different types of racks. And in this case, it's just a regular kind of construction type ladder racks that I've got on the van. It attaches in 3 spots. And it's a pretty stealthy, small package. It's a 7 foot or 6.5, I think is the actual measurement, awning light. And it's all black, anodized bars or support bars as well. And I look forward to using it this summer. And having a little shade whenever it gets too sunny out. But it was pretty easy to install, and I will, as I said in another next video, show you what it's like to set it up.